you're right about human dignity. I think, like the other films, Pandan's films, everyone wants a certain amount of recognition. So I think Prakhar, PVR cinemas could do something.
Yeah, definitely. The key art is very interesting. If you would not have told me the subject, I would have thought it's a comedy movie. But it's a very good trailer, and whatever support we can do, we will definitely.
That would be nice. That would
Well,
really
he'll
be
finally
nice.
get to live his dream then, because he
Yeah.
wanted to be on the big screen, and if he does, then that would be a dream come true for him.
Definitely, we can have one-to-one afterwards.
Yes. And Jeevan, are you going to help him make that dream come true also?
Congratulations. I mean, it's a very innovative subject. I mean, I've never seen such sort of subject picked for a documentary. So, but do let us know. I think you're looking for a campaign. I think it deserves a larger campaign to release it, because I think that's your primary focus. So we can put you on to somebody who does this, and then we are there for the cinema screenings, or if you want to organize a screening for the BMC people, I mean, we can always do that.
Thanks. That would be great.
Yeah. That would be nice. And Dorita.
This doesn't exactly fall under education or healthcare, but I'd still like to meet you because I'd like to discuss this entire garbage angle to it, because more garbage, more rats. So I think we could work something out in the near future.
What about any healthcare for the rat killers in tandem with the BMC? Because, we do blame the municipal corporation for everything, but the reality of it is that this is one small department within a huge mammoth operation. So,
So we can definitely discuss it. So we'll have a one-on-one after this, and perhaps you could give me a more idea of what this is all about.
Sure, thanks.
Yeah, I agree with Miriam. Most often we just don't bother about the health of those who are actually looking after our city. Even those who go into the gutters, kill rats, etc. And they usually come from the Dalit and oppressed class. But these are different. They're aspiring to be graduates. Gunjan, is that possible for an NDTV screening?
Most definitely. I love the multi-layered narratives that you have in the film, and it's not just about the story and the issue, but also the many other subtexts which are running in the society. And let's definitely talk after this, and maybe we can try and peg it and air it around the BMC elections and try and get some publicity around that, and bring up the issue and raise some awareness.
Thank you. Thanks.
That's very positive and very encouraging. Abigail, from the Mahindra Foundation, I think you have educational programs, and is it possible for it even as an educational thing, or any other way, or an award, whatever?
I can't speak specifically to the education aspect because that's not my area of work, but definitely we can try to connect you to people who are in those roles in Mahindra. Otherwise, it is a fantastic story, and we'd like to help seek out an audience for you most certainly.
Mridula, again, it's an environment-based issue.
I think as an environment issue, for our group in particular, we are doing a screening, it's always to have different perspectives. So whether it is how to manage your waste or to understand what the problem is. So on the whole, I think if we do a screening, it'll be nice to club it in with all the other issues and we can show it together. And ours being a cultural center and a movie like yours, I think it's also important that it is entertaining and there is humor, it is multi-narrative. So I think we can definitely, screen it, yeah.
Sometimes there could be a screening which even link up Beijing Waste and Rat Race, and it would be very nice to see the two perspectives simultaneously. I think Economic Times, Manoj.
Yeah, this is definitely an excellent subject for one of our sections which deal with unknown faces in the country. I mean, Behram Harda is definitely an unknown face and worth a good profile, interesting profile. One thing that crossed my mind is, does the Municipal Corporation of Mumbai have any rat killers appointed for the ones that walk on two legs within its organization? But I think profile definitely would help, will make the documentary a talking point. particularly if you look at the multilinear narrative that you took about. Yeah.
Thank you. Mr. Paneerselvan?
Personally speaking, I'm moved by it, and I don't know what I can offer right now, but really it's got into our system. We will get back to you as soon as possible, and probably we'll have a chat. Yeah.
Ajita, is there any way we can do a story on
the
that?
concert, Mariam. Would look forward to chatting with you. I've already spoken to you about it earlier.
So you'll have a one-on-one after the lunch. That will be really nice. Mr. Padma Kumar?
As you mentioned, I think it is very similar to, the subject probably looks very similar to what the Chinese documentary talks about.
Well, I think hers takes off from where mine ends, because, or rather, it's like the chicken
Yeah,
and
it's
the
connected.
egg. Yeah.
Let's
The
say that.
rat is the manifestation of the garbage,
And I think what we can personally do from industry is, this is a subject which should be taken up by a body like CIA. I can do that through our, especially CIA in Mumbai is a very powerful organization. I think this deserves to be screened with all the top people there. And I'm sure you can get a lot of mileage from that.